Hi everyone, we have a nice question here. We should simplify this. Here we can let x 15 over 2 plus 15 over 2 plus 15 over 2 infinite. As you see here, this is as you see here, this is the same x. This is x. Now we can write x is equals 15 over 2 plus x. This is x. Now here we can multiply 2 plus x on both sides to solve. Here on left side we have 2 plus x times x equals, we can cancel out 2 plus x, and we have 15 on right side. Now on left side we can multiply that 2 times x plus x times x squared is equals 15. Now here we can bring 15 on left side and we can write x squared plus 2x minus 15 is equals 0. Here we can write 2x 5x minus 3x. Now x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equals 0. Now here, as you see here, x is common, and here 3 is common. On left side, on here, x is common. We can take it out. X times here x plus 5 minus 3 is common here, and we can take it out, times x plus 5 equals 0. Now we have x plus 5 common here, and we can take it out. X plus 5, here we have x, and here we have minus 3 is equals 0. We have two cases here. X plus 5 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Here we have x equals negative 5, and here x is 3. So if you have any suggestions, you can write on comment box, and if useful, don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you, bye.